Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome once again to the online session with the second part, or with the second one, with that pair of poems, in which one already we have taken, and the name of that poem was Hey Nilda. Now, to Nilda, Rachel, this is the second part of that poem, is Hi Rachel. So, how Rachel responds to her friend, close friend Nilda. Please open pages 296 and 297 in your reading and writing workshop book. Now we would start, when you open your book you would find, and we are starting the text. Yep, you are right. I wondered why you were walking around like you were scared or angry, or if you had been crying or trying to hide, or all of the above. Now she is responding to her friend, her best friend Nilda, that she was also surprised and she didn't know that why you were behaving so strangely lately. It might be one of the above reasons that you scared, or you angry, or you want to cry, or you want to hide yourself from someone because of some reason. Good thing I wasn't holding anything breakable when I read your message, because I might have dropped it or flung it across the room. Now, the first 5 lines were the reaction that she also told her that that she had noticed her strange behavior. But now she is saying to her that she didn't have anything in her mind against her. When she read her message, she thought that Rachel thought that she might have dropped it, or she might have thrown it somewhere in the room. She didn't know. Flung is the second third form of fling, flung, so throw. So it means she was responding and she was replying to Nilda that she thought she might have thrown somewhere. Instead, I dropped down into a rickety recliner and clenched my teeth tight, and my body shaking as hard as if I were outside wearing shorts in the freezing rain. Now I have highlighted a few difficult words with the meaning in the brackets as well as underline. So she was saying that maybe that she might have dropped unbalanced when she was laying down, or so she's saying that I clench my teeth tight. It means this phrase that she was so angry. She got up so angry upon herself, and it was looking just like that she were in shorts and she was outside in a freezing rain. So she was extremely angry upon herself, but she didn't know the true reason and the loss of that camera, that where she thrown or she put it away. So Rachel is expressing her feelings during that moment. I mean, come on, you borrowed my new camera without asking, then let me think it was stolen. I thought I could trust you. I thought I could trust you, and I thought you would trust me enough to tell me the truth. Now, she didn't mind, and she said that she thought that you bought my new camera without asking, and then but she thought that it was stolen. Someone stole that camera, and she was rather complaining that why Nilda couldn't trust her completely, and she could have told her the honestly the truth, because there isn't anything wrong if he took it without telling her. So later on she could tell her that okay, it was me, according to Nilda, that she had taken that camera from her, and she was complaining that why you couldn't trust me enough to tell me the truth, that okay, it happened, it's normal, so nothing wrong, and you just held, and you just took yourself through such a condition. How long have we been friends? And now this is a continuation of that a friendly complaint that they have been friends since long time. So but she should have told how long have we been friends? Since we were 5, that's how long. We may not see eye to eye at times, but we have always been honest with each other. Just as you know. Now she is reminding Nilda that we have been friends for a long time, and sometimes it happens in friendship, a little ups and downs, but they have been always honest with one another. And what happened at this particular situation, that she couldn't trust her, and she kept hide that news from her. I found my camera yesterday stuck in a big box with some socks in the lost and found. Let's not blow this out of proportion. Maybe just treat as a water under the bridge. Now she was consoling Nilda. Rachel was consoling Nilda that no, she got her camera back. While she was searching, and she come across a big box with some socks, and she had lost that socks, and ultimately she found the camera beside the socks. So no worry, let's not blow this out of proportion. Now she was suggesting that okay, forget about this incident, it happened. Now maybe just treat is as water on the bridge. It is a idiomatic phrase and expression that okay, think just like a water goes away, flows away, just like water under the bridge. It means with the passage of time, with life, it happens. So forget about it, and let's take a move on. Start again. Okay, still friends? I hope so. I've got 2 tickets to Friday's concert, and I don't want to go by myself, Nilda. And she was suggesting that okay, I got 2 tickets for a concert, a theater, Friday concert, and she wanted, Rachel wanted to take Nilda with herself, because since they were best friends, and they wanted to continue and start from where they left in an uncertainty, and in a doubtful situation. They want to continue their friendship as they were earlier. So that was a beautiful reply from Nilda's best friend Rachel to Nilda, and hopefully you will have understand, and there isn't anything difficult. For homework, here students read the poem again and write meanings and explanation to the difficult words and phrases. Thank you very much and have a nice day.